everybody, good day today. I'm gonna start with my weekly vlog. I don't know if I should call it a maintenance vlog or just a weekly vlog. It kind of coincidentally ended up being a maintenance vlog because I had to get my nails done, and I got my lashes done, then I'm gonna do my hair, and then tonight I'm cooking some dinner, and then I got a photo shoot. So hopefully I end up liking my journey. I've been getting a lot of requests lately. I'm sorry if I talk fast. I'm from the South. Anyways, I've been getting a lot of requests lately to make YouTube videos. I don't know, maybe you'll think my life is more fun than it really is, but I'm just that girl. I make the fun, but life itself is not. However, hopefully you all find this video amusing, stuff like that. Now, another reason why I haven't been recording YouTube videos is because I'm a perfectionist and it's all about quality for me. So I had a plan to record a YouTube video today, so I was actually gonna go to the store to go get a brand new camera and a brand new laptop, and then I figured out that my phone can do this. I did not know I had this feature on my phone. I personally just got this phone because it was pink. As you can probably tell, that's my favorite color. So, but now that I see the quality of this, I literally have no excuse. So if I do not record a YouTube video or post a YouTube video, y'all don't yell at me, but maybe like whisper y'all. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna go to the kitchen and finish cooking my chicken. I'm gonna show y'all a couple of clips and videos of everything I cook and then the final product and everything like that, and then I'll catch up with y'all in the morning. Bye. I'm currently watching the Mahalia Jackson movie. It's pretty good. It's very singy. I'm not really much of a musical person, but it's good. I finished cooking. The food was really good. This is my second time frying chicken. The first time I fried chicken was when I was 16, and I had never fried chicken ever since then after that. But I just wanted to make a southern meal for myself. And I want to make cornbread because this year for Thanksgiving, literally no one made cornbread. Like, I don't know what's going on with the new adults, but y'all are really slipping. The Hawaiian rolls, the biscuits, the Pillsbury rolls. We need cornbread. And that's why I made cornbread, because I was lacking it on Thanksgiving, so I had to make it now. But the cornbread was great. The food was great. I'm just letting my food digest a little bit so that I can get a piece of sweet potato pie. After that, I'm going to go to sleep, and I'll see you guys in the morning. I love you so much. Don't forget to pray. Good morning, everyone. I just woke up. This feels so weird to like keep consistently grabbing my phone and recording stuff. I'm about to go to the store to go get a wig. Majority of the wigs that I wear are synthetic. No, I'm not ashamed of that because I be looking damn good. Anyways, yeah, I like synthetic wigs because I'm always changing my hair. Like, I change my hair literally every week. It's not intentionally. I just get tired of things really fast. People, wigs, and I just like change. So I just keep changing my hair. But yeah, we're gonna head to the Beauty Supply store. I'm feeling black. I want yeah, we know. You definitely are. I'm feeling black hair. I'm feeling 1B. I've just been in that mood lately. So I'm gonna see if I can find something wavy. I never really do straight hair. I love how curls look on my face shape. I have a round face shape or a heart face shape. I would say round. I don't know, but yeah. So I'm gonna head off to go do that, and we're gonna come home and we're gonna I'm going to come home, put it on, and then we're gonna head off to my eyelash appointment. Alright, so I'm currently driving to the Beauty Supply store. Yes, I'm in my bonnet. But I feel like black women to black women, when we see each other in a Beauty Supply store with a bonnet on, we just know it's that time. It just came to be that time. But honestly, I really don't care about anybody wearing a bonnet in public. I mean, I don't feel like it's that serious. At the end of the day, people make their own decisions to do what they want to do every single day. And if you're the type of person that allows something that someone else is doing in their own personal life to affect you, you gotta start doing some digging, really. You should never care about anybody else's life that much, especially if it's not affecting you. Definitely keep your head up. They up, you stuck. Up in the ass, all of their business. That's crazy. But anyways, we're about to be at the Beauty Supply store soon. I pull out the camera before, you know, I get there and everything like that. But yeah, I'll see y'all shortly. Alright, y'all, so I got the goods. I was trying to record in there so that y'all could see what was going on, but everybody kept looking at me like they ain't never seen a little bad thing with a little iPhone camera phone before. But it is what it is. We're gonna go to the house. It's currently 1:51. I'm gonna do my hair right quick and we're gonna head down to go get my lashes done. Okay, see you later. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get my lashes done. Follow her Instagram. Her Instagram is
Tip skill. I love Drake.
Yes. I can't wait to meet Drake one day. It's destined to happen. If I don't,
And if you do, just send me a picture with the selfie, please.
I'm like,
I'm gonna be like, this bitch did it.
we made it!
Oh my god! Ooh. Yeah, just keep with the off guards. It's cute.
I was just watching a music video last night. Sweetest music video I've ever seen.
Okay, last one.
She's so sweet to me. Alright, so I just finished getting my lashes done. It's currently 6 something, I think. I don't know. He's a fit. It's so cute. Everything okay. Alright, let's go. You know the mess, girl. Love it. Alright, so I'm finally home. I got my lashes done. I got my nails done. They're really simple. I had to end up going to a last minute place because by the time I got my lashes done, all the nail salons were closing at like 7. So I really didn't have anywhere to go. But I did go to this one place because she was available. I don't know. They're just plain. I feel like I could have got more done, but whatever. I wasn't able to get my toes done today, so we're gonna go, or I'm gonna go get my toes done tomorrow. I mean, if you wanna get your toes done with me too, like pause the video and then go get your toes done. We like got nails done together. Oh my god, so cute, so cute, so cute. Yeah. But yeah, so I'm tired. I didn't even end up finishing half of the food that I bought today. The guy came out of the kitchen and he was like, oh, do you need anything? I was like, can I get a to-go box? And he was just like, yes, you can. Tell me why he wanted to get a to-go box. And then he came back and he was like, you know, when I seen the food coming to the table, I figured somebody was going to come and meet you here and you were sharing. I said, no, my eyes were just bigger than my stomach. Please. He was super sweet though, but yeah, I'm going to end up going to sleep now because I don't even feel like holding my phone anymore. I'm just like really tired. Darn. I'll see y'all tomorrow morning. Don't forget to pray. Good morning, all. I don't know. I've been hyper since last night to tonight. Today. Girl. Good morning, y'all. I'm out of breath because I was just chasing my dog. Hold on. Good morning, y'all. Or grand rising, y'all. I just woke up not too long ago. I was scrolling on my phone or whatever. But this is a thing that I make sure I do. Before you pick up your phone in the morning, make sure you pray. Okay? I don't know if any of my followers or subscribers, or even if you pass by this video and you seeing it, I don't know what y'all beliefs are. I don't know if you're religious, if you're spiritual. It doesn't matter. Make sure you show gratitude every time you wake up in the morning before you pick your phone up. Anyways, So today I'm gonna be getting my toes done. I really need to get up and go do that now because I have a couple of errands I need to run. I need to return this outfit that I bought because, girl, when I seen it on the mannequin, it was cute, so I got it off the mannequin and I hate it. Usually when I go to the store, I always get something off the mannequin, but this was the first time it flopped. This is the ugliest thing I've ever seen in my life. So it's going back. When I wake up, my voice is a little deeper than like throughout the day. I mean, it's what it is. So like I said, I got my nails done. I slept on it and then I woke up and looked at them and still, you know what I'm saying? But at least they look presentable now. But I'm about to get in the shower and I'm gonna take a shower. No, I am not one of those YouTubers that's gonna show you my back butt naked just to show you I'm taking a shower. I'm not there. I'm I'm not doing that one. I'm just gonna get in the shower and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna go to the nail salon, go get our toes done. I'm probably gonna go. I wonder, like, if you go to the nail salon, can you ask them to, like, I don't know. We'll see y'all. I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. So I got a little pushback and it's currently 5 o'clock. The photo shoot is at 7. And I was supposed to get my toes done, but everywhere I've been going right now, I guess this is Sunday, but everywhere I've been going, they're closed. So, and then I just went to this one place, but they're packed like sardines in there, so, and the longer I look for a place, the longer it's gonna take me. So I think I'm just gonna get something to eat right quick because I haven't eaten. And if you're like me, get up and go eat because you haven't eaten all day. Listen, we're getting better. We're both getting better. I just ran out of space and that's why I don't be recording nothing. But anyways, I'm about to go get something to eat and then I'm gonna come back to my house and do my makeup and we're gonna be off to the photo shoot. We're going up to the photo shoot. I'm trying to hype myself up because my hair hurts. But anyways, I'll see y'all in a minute. So I finally made it to the photo shoot. I'm on my contour. I'll just gonna blend it out in a second. But I feel like somebody listened to me, so we're gonna leave. Quick break. I'm here with. Where are you? We're gonna finish and I'll be back. Alright, y'all. I'm home and I'm sleepy. I did not end up getting my toes done today, so I'm gonna go get my toes done tomorrow. I'll probably bring y'all with me tomorrow. Let me turn this music off. I forgot to record me returning that ugly suit. If I find an Instagram video of it, I'll show y'all my return. Don't buy that. And if you do buy it separately and wear it with something else, because that was, I mean, wear it. If you want it, never mind. Don't listen to me. I did very dramatic makeup tonight because it translates way different on camera, and I'll add a picture of that too. When you have bright lights flashing on you, the flashback, it looks way different. You'll see. Sleepy. Other than getting my toes done, I don't really know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'll probably go to TJ Maxx and see if they have any like home stuff. I need some new pots and pans and stuff. And yeah, I feel like it's getting boring, guys. I'm sorry. And if you watch this and you're like, damn, she barely put any clips in here, I was running out of space and I was frantically deleting stuff. I was running out of space. So it wasn't because, oh, I forgot, no, I was running out of space. So I couldn't record that much, but yeah. I'll see y'all later. I'm about to watch my music and go to sleep. don't forget to pray.